Okay, so it's 3:10, 3:11. Let us start the session. Students joining late, I cannot keep waiting. Okay, so in the previous lecture session, what we had studied, I had taught you in the previous two classes, right? We have studied how to find complements. We studied how to find r's complement, r minus 1's complement. On the basis of this, we learned how to carry out subtraction of numbers. For subtraction also, we studied two methods, r's complement, subtraction using r's complement, and subtraction using r minus 1's complement. Okay, so do you remember the procedure? What is the procedure for r's complement? First, find the r's complement of the subtrahend. Whatever answer you get, add it to your minuend. ठीक है, अगर आपका m और n है, तो you find the r's complement of the subtrahend. Subtrahend is generally your negative number. Okay, and then whatever answer you get, add it to the minuend. If you get a carry, ignore it. If you don't get a carry, again take r's complement of the, if you do not get a carry, again take r's complement of the number and place a negative sign. Okay, so that is r's complement procedure. r minus 1's complement में क्या सीखा था? Everything would remain same. The only difference was if you get a carry, add it to your answer, and whatever you get would be your final answer. If you do not get a carry, take r minus 1's complement again and place a negative sign. Okay, so we had seen enough examples of these two methods, subtraction using complements. Now let us move ahead and see the next topic. So as I told you yesterday in the previous class, that complements is done. I have covered how to find complements and how to carry out subtraction using complements. The next topic that we'll be seeing is binary codes. See, generally, everything when represented in binary sometimes feels difficult to understand. Okay, suppose I want to represent alphabets, I want to represent special characters, I want to represent numbers. If all these things are to be represented, in that case, binary codes, to represent these things in a more meaningful way, we use binary codes. Okay, we'll be studying different coding methodologies. Apart from binary, there are also different coding methodologies which the computer uses. And in today's class, we will be discussing about these types of codes. Okay. When we talk about binary codes are generally divided into two types. Weighted code and non-weighted code. Now, what do you mean by weighted code? I'll directly start explaining you this through an example. We will see types of codes which are actually weighted code. Okay. And then you'll get to know what does weighted code mean. The first example of weighted codes. Heard of BCD? What does BCD mean? BCD सुना है आपने? It's binary coded decimal. See, when we specify codes for these, we only specify the code for 0 to 9. See, generally code यानी क्या? Like suppose I say that A is 65, B is 67. तो अब अगर मैंने कहीं use किया है, I have used like this 65, 67, 93. You will get from this coding, you will get to know कि ये मेरा कौन सा alphabet बन रहा है. Fine. So similarly, what are we doing is we are providing specific code to numbers 0 to 9 over here. And this BCD coding is 8421 code. ठीक है? 8421 में आप उसको रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, लाइक 0 इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज 0000, 1 इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज 0001, 2 यानी 2 वाला 1 होगा, इट इज 0010. यू विल फील दैट इट इज लाइक योर बाइनरी ओनली, जैसे 9 का बाइनरी होता है 1001. सो हियर इन बीसीडी आल्सो द value of 9 would be 1001. Then what is the difference? Difference is this is not the actual binary value. Only 0 to 9 को हमने कोडिंग दिया है, ठीक है. Now when I want to represent, why am I not able to erase it? Yeah. So now when you want to represent 10 in BCD, how is it represented? You have separate values. 510. Yes. So when you want to represent 10 in BCD, हमने तो 0 to 9 के लिए कोड दिया है. So for 1, you will have to write a separate code, and for 0, you have to write a separate code. So 10 in BCD is represented like this. Understood? If I'm asked you to represent any number in BCD, the coding is provided only for decimal digits 0 to 9. So when I say that represent 27 in BCD, how would you do it? You will write the code for 2. 2 is what? 0010. And what is 7? 0111. So this is the BCD equivalent of decimal number 27. Now, I said that 8421. What does this mean? When I say 0111, each bit over here has a weight assigned to it. इस bit का weight क्या है? इस bit का weight 2 है. What is the weight of this bit? It's 1. So when each bit of my code is assigned a specific weight, those types of codes are called weighted code. ठीक है? Every bit has some weight assigned to it. Here it is 8421 and hence it is a weighted code. Let us see one more different example of weighted code, which is 84 minus 2 minus 1. ऐसा भी एक code होता है. ठीक है? This is a binary code. Represent your number in 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. Soumya, I am explaining, just listen to it. For 0 to 9, I'm giving one more example and now you'll get to know. If I want to represent 0 in 84 minus 2 minus 1 code, it would be 0000. ठीक है? सभी की value 0. All the bits has these. Here the value of this bit is 8. मुझे 8 नहीं चाहिए. So what I'll do is I'll place a 0 over here. Let us look at 1. You'll get a better idea. If I want to represent 1 in 84 minus 2 minus 1, how would I get? 1 कैसे मिलेगा बताओ? Yes, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 0 and 111. So 1 is represented as 0111 in 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. How would you represent 2? How would you represent 2? 0110. So may I understood? हर एक बिट का वेट है, ठीक है? This its weight is 4 and this its weight is minus 2. So 4 minus 2 will give you 2. What is the 84 minus 2 minus 1 code of 3? It would be 0101. 4 minus 1. 4 के लिए क्या होगा? 0100. What would be value for 5? 5 के लिए बताओ. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 1011. 6 के लिए 8 minus 2. 7 के लिए 8
1001.
1001. What would be for 8? 1000. And 9 के लिए 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 2 10. 10 minus 1 9. So all 4 ones. So this is which code? This is 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. ठीक है? Another type of code, weighted code is, चलो 2421. अब इसमें आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा? Here there are two 2s. Fine, 2421. Which 2 to select? That we'll see how to do it. अभी let us assume कि हम least significant position से लेना start करेंगे. Okay? चलो tell me what would be the code for 0? All zeros? For 1 0 0 0 1.
00001.
चलो 2 के लिए we said that मैं पीछे से start कर रही हूँ. You can take any. हम दोनों option लिख के रखते हैं and then we'll see which one to choose when. 0 0 1 0. Okay, this is 1 0 0 1 0 is one value. दूसरा possibility, what is the second possibility? 1 0 0 0.
1000.
Okay, चलो moving ahead. Value of 3 0 0 1 1. Do we have another possibility?
1001.
चलो अभी मैं दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी साइड में लिख रही हूँ, फिर हम देखते हैं कि उसका कौन सी यूज करने की. चलो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 4? 0 1 0 0. व्हाट इज द अदर पॉसिबिलिटी? 1 0 1 0. ठीक है. फिर 5 के लिए
0101.
0 1 0 1. अनदर पॉसिबिलिटी
1011.
ओके. 6 के लिए 0 1 1 0 और दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी 1 1 0 0. चलो 7
0111.
0 1 1. अनदर पॉसिबिलिटी 1 1
1101.
8 के लिए 1 1 1 0. फाइन. एंड 9 के लिए ऑल वंस. ओके. चलो इतना बनाना आ गया. नाउ I will teach you one term which is known as self-complementary. 2421 is a self-complementary code. अब self-complementary की actual definition बाद में देखते हैं. But by looking at the code, if you look over here, first और last को देखो. All zeros, all ones. उसके बाद वाले दो को देखो. 0001, 1110. Are they complementary of each other? अब उसके बाद वाला देखो 0010. So which one will I have to write over here? अगर मैं 0010 सिलेक्ट करती हूँ तो which one will I have to write over here? Yes, I will have to write 1101. और अगर मैं 1000 लिख रही हूँ तो मुझे कौन सा लिखना है नीचे? 0111. Did you understand? Did all of you understand? Here I am. If I write 0010, तो ये दो ऑप्शंस थे. इन दोनों ऑप्शंस में से which option will I select? I will write this option. Okay. But if I would have written 1000 over here, तो ये मेरा सही है. चलो let us do it for the next one. 0011. कौन सा लेंगे? ये वाला. If I have written 0011, I'll have to select 1100 नीचे. फिर उसके बाद 0100. हमने सारे उल्टे लिखे हैं, right? I'll have to select this one. Did you all understand? सबको पता चला? This is 2421 code. Fine. So all these examples that we saw right now, BCD 84 -2 -1, 2421, these are examples of weighted code. Why? Because each bit is assigned some weight. ठीक है? Now let us see some examples of non-weighted code. फिर मैं आपको बहुत सारे वो दिखा रही हूँ. एक मिनट, लेट मी शेयर दैट एज वेल विथ यू राइट नाउ. साथ साथ में दिखाती हूँ. जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ. इज दिस विजिबल? पीपीटी दिख रही है आपको? ओके. See, these are different examples of weighted code. 8421 हो सकता है, 7421, 5421, 5211. We will not be discussing each of them. यहाँ पे जो लास्ट में लिखा है ना, this is 84 -2 -1. उसको ऊपर कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है, but it is 84 -2 -1. Okay, so these are some examples of weighted code. Here, it follows positional weight principle. So each position has some weight assigned to it. ठीक है. Now let us see what are non-weighted code. उसका एग्जाम्पल बताती हूँ मैं. I'll write and explain. I will not just scroll through the PPT. XS3 code. You all are aware with BCD, right? BCD अब अच्छे से आ गया ना? If I tell you represent 27 in BCD, how would you represent? What is the binary of 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. 7, 0, 111. Okay, so this is how we represent a number in its BCD. If I tell you represent 15 in 84 minus 2 minus 1 code, तो क्या करोगे? 1 का 84 minus 2 minus 1 and 5 का 84 minus 2 minus 1. 1 का क्या होगा? 0, 111 and 5 का क्या होगा? 8 minus 2, 6. Yes, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is what, this is the 84 minus 2 minus 1 code of 15. Okay. Chalo, now let us see the next type of code. This is an example of non-weighted code. How to find XS3 code? It's very simple. As the name suggests, XS3. हमेशा कोडिंग हम कहां से कहां तक करेंगे? 0 से 9 तक. Okay. How to find XS3 code? All you have to do is, before writing the actual binary या BCD या binary BCD 0 to 9 का तो same ही होता है. ठीक है. So before converting it to binary, you first have to add 3 to it. 0 plus 3. 3 तो 3 का लिख दो. 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the XS3 code of 0. 1 का क्या होगा? XS3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So write the binary of 4. This is the XS3 code of 4. XS3 code of 1. Okay. As the name indicates, XS3 code means first add 3 to your number. Whatever you get, write its equivalent binary. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. 3 के लिए क्या होगा? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. Very good. 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So 0, 111. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is 1, 000. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1, 0, 1, 1. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. So ये सब मेरे क्या हो गए? These are my XS3 codes for of 0 to 9. Now if someone asks you to write the XS3 code of 12, क्या लिखोगे? 1100? No. इसमें benefit नहीं. See, I'll see. We will see the application of each of these codes. Not each of these codes, but some of the codes will be using further. Like हमने सीखा कि आर्ट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, and we saw how to use आर्ट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट for subtraction. Similarly, here we will see the different types of codes and how we will be using those codes in further examples. आगे हम पढ़ेंगे, like we'll be studying a code called gray code. Okay, this code will be using when we'll be using K-map for simplification of our Boolean functions. Fine. So it increases the readability हर एक numbers के लिए. अगर if you look for some numbers, number of bits in binary would be more compared to this. And अगर मुझे कोई, अगर octal में कोई सी number को represent करना है, that becomes easy compared to binary and more readable. Fine. तो ये हम इसके applications भी आगे देखेंगे. We'll learn how to use these codes for our simplification of Boolean functions. Fine. Okay. So 12 plus 3. So what will what is this? What is the XS3 code of 12? We have done only till 9. So you will have to write separate code for 1 and separate for 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 0, 1, 0, 0. And 2 plus 3 is 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Yes. So for any number given to you, when you are asked to represent it in excess3, first add 3 to your original number and then write its equivalent binary. तो वो कौन सा code हो गया? Those are excess3 codes. Okay. This is an example of non-weighted code because यहाँ पे fix नहीं है. What is the value? If I want to represent 9, these bits have no weight assigned to it. हम उसमें +3 कर रहे हैं और फिर उसकी बाइनरी लिख रहे हैं. So these bits have no weights assigned to it and hence excess3 code is a non-weighted code. Okay. Chalo. Now we'll see one nice example of code which is gray code. Gray code are also known as reflected code. It has a very unique property. Chalo, first of all of us know the binary of 7. What is binary of 7? Okay. अगर मैं कोई एक काउंटर बना रही हूँ, ठीक है? After 7, if I want to represent 8, what is the value of 8? What is the value of 8? 1,000,000. It means if I just want to move from 7 to 8, how many bits will I have to change? I'll have to change 4 bits. कौन 3 लिख रहा है? This is also changing, right? Yes. So all the 4 bits are to be changed just for moving from 7 to 8. So gray code has a very good property. In gray code, the codes are designed in such a way that only one bit changes at a time. Only one bit changes at a time, moving from one code to another. 0 to 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 के लिए बताओ क्या हो सकता है? Yeah, see, I can design my own gray code. Okay, मैं 0 to 9 के लिए gray code बना सकती हूँ अपने लिए. It can be 0 to 9, 0 to 15, 4-bit gray code. This is 4-bit gray code. Okay, आप 2-bit gray code डिजाइन कर सकते हो, 1-bit gray code डिजाइन कर सकते हो. What care we need to take over here is we should design the code in such a way that only one bit should change at a time and no two numbers should have the same code. This is common sense. No two numbers should have the same code. I'm giving you 5 minutes. ठीक है? 0 to 15 के लिए. Take a notebook. You don't have to do much exercise. All you have to do is देखो अगर मैं यहाँ पे 0 0 1 0 लिखूंगी, is it correct gray code? Is it correct gray code? 2 के लिए मैंने अगर 0 0 1 0 लिखा, is it correct? No. Why? Because ये last bit भी change हुई, ये वाली भी bit change हुई. So I cannot write 0 0 1 0 over here. Okay. So what I want you to do is आप अपने notebook pen लेके, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just try to design 15 codes in such a way that only one bit should change at a time. ठीक है? चलो start doing. 2 के लिए what I can do is I will do like this 0 0 1 1. तो ये 1 as it is रहा, सिर्फ ये वाली वैल्यू चेंज हुई. ठीक है, चलो बनाओ quickly. Once you are done, write in the chat window. Value, you see here we are not referring to the value. This is just code for 2. आप नहीं करते like वो aptitude test में नहीं देते if A is 0 0 1 and B is नहीं, if A is 26, B is 28, C is 30, what would be the value of apple? ये मैंने fix assign कर दी. This is the code for B. So wherever I have B, I'll be using 28. तो अभी आपको value नहीं, you don't have to worry about values. This is the code for 2. Fine. हमने उसको एक coding convention दे दिया. Quickly. Done till 9. नहीं, मुझे तो 4-bit कोड चाहिए, तो 4-bit में 9 तक नहीं आएगा. 4-bit means 15 तक करो. See, अगर मुझे, if I want to represent only 2 numbers, for representing only 2 numbers, I will need a single bit, 1 bit. ठीक है, उसकी वैल्यू 0 है या 1 है, तो 2 नंबर्स को मैं सिर्फ 2 कोड से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ. अगर मुझे 0 to 7 यानी 8 बिट्स को 8 वैल्यूज को मुझे कोड देना है, तो आई कैन डू इट यूजिंग 3 बिट्स. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So for 3 bits, I can have unique 8 combinations. But when I said 4 bits, you should be able to represent 0 to 15. Total 16 values आप represent कर पाना चाहिए. So not only 0 to 9, 0 to 9 won't work. Yes, I can see many of you writing done, done, done. एक बार वापस चेक कर लो. No two codes should have the same value and only 1 bit should change at a time. Gray code title तक मैंने scroll कर लिया. Okay, who wanted that? देख लो. It's also called reflected code. चलो, fine. I give you time to explore, but now.
मैम
हाँ,
ऐसे कैसे हो गया?
क्या?
ऐसे कैसे मतलब नहीं हो गया, मुझे नहीं समझ में आया.
आपको एक ही बिट देखो. You have to change only your number when it moves from 2 to 3. It should change in a single bit. ऐसा आपको कोड बनाना है. ठीक है, मैं अभी आपको उसकी शॉर्टकट आप देखो. चल, anyone who could unmute yourself and let me know how did you make it. 0011 के बाद क्या लिखा आपने? Who will let me know? Please unmute yourself. Priyanshu, can you please unmute yourself? प्रियांशु.
यस मैम.
हाँ, चलो आप बताओगे मुझे सारे कोड्स आपने कैसे लिखे हैं, सो दैट अभी जिसको पता नहीं चला दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, टेल मी हाउ डिड यू डू इट. 0011 के बाद व्हाट डिड यू राइट?
0010.
0010. See what happened? Only single bit got changed. It means the code is correct. After 0010, what did you write?
0110.
0110. Okay, so only this bit got changed. उसके बाद
0100.
0100. Okay, तो ये bit change हुई. Was this just trial and error, Priyanshu? Or did you follow any specific pattern?
No ma'am.
Trial and error?
Yes.
15 combinations बन गए. ठीक है, अभी किसने मुझे पूछा था you didn't understand? ये पहले पता चला. Did you understand the rule what it follows? Only 1 bit gets changed at a time. Okay, now I'll show you a simpler method and an easy one, shortcut method. अभी देखो आपको टाइम लगा होगा for designing this particular 4-bit gray code. Okay, let us see an easy way so that everyone gets the same pattern, same code, and it's easy for us to do without much thinking. What we will do is we will design 4-bit gray code. अगर आपको 1 bit gray code करने को कहे, what would it be? 0 and 1. 1 bit, दोनों values अलग है, only 1 bit changes at a time. Now, if you are asked to design 2-bit gray code, 2-bit gray code, how many values can 2-bit gray code represent? 4 values, right? It can represent 4 values. I'll show you a shortcut method how to do it. Gray code, as the name suggests, is also known as reflected code. अगर मुझे ग्रे कोड जनरेट करना है, what you can do is, यहाँ पे मैंने 1 bit ग्रे कोड पहले लिख दिया 0 and 1. Place a mirror over here. तो इधर क्या आएगा? 1 and 0. Fine. After this step, above the mirror place 2 zeros, beneath the mirror place 2 ones. Now check whether this 2-bit gray code is correct or not. Only 1 bit changes at a time. Is only 1 bit changing at a time? Check and let me know. Yes. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू डिजाइन 3-bit ग्रे कोड, क्या करेंगे? इधर मिरर रखो, write all the codes like this, 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0, ठीक है? 1 0 this one, फिर 1 1, फिर 0 1 and 0 0. What is the next step? Above the mirror all zeros, beneath the mirror all ones. Check करो 3-bit code, is only 1 bit changing at a time? Check it out, only 1 bit changes at a time. अब वापस 4-bit का बनाते हैं। चलो मैं थोड़ा छोटा लिखूं, बहुत बड़ा बड़ा लिख रही हूँ, so I'm not able to. Okay, let me minimize the screen so I can write it. Ow, sorry. What happened? ये चेंज कैसे करूं? Can I not zoom it beneath 70? Okay, anyways, चलो फटाफट 4-bit का बनाओ. Place a mirror. It would be 1 0 0. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Didn't क्या था? Didn't get the mirror. Smith, you didn't understand mirror यानी क्या? अगर इधर 0 1 है, if I place a mirror over here, यानी ये जो नीचे है उसको पहले लिखोगे, इधर है उसको इधर लिखोगे. This is mirror. This is what I called mirror. Understood, Smith? If I have like this 1 1 0, देखो ये 1 0 0 है तो you will write it exactly near the mirror. फिर 1 0 1 तो यहाँ पे 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Understood? 1 1 0 1 1 0. पता चला स्मिथ? ओके, चलो टेल मी आफ्टर 1 1 0 व्हाट शैल आई राइट? नीचे इधर क्या लिखूं? बोलो. आई डोंट वांट टू स्क्रॉल अप. 1 1 0 के बाद 0 1 0, आफ्टर दैट 0 1 1, फिर 0 0 1 एंड लास्ट में ऑल जीरोस. ओके, प्लेस मिरर के नीचे ऑल वंस एंड मिरर के ऊपर ऑल जीरोस. एंड दिस इज माय ग्रे कोड फॉर 4-bit gray code, 4-bit number. Okay, all zeros over here. So this is how we can easily generate gray code for any number asked. अगर मैं अब 5-bit बोलूं तो भी आप कर पाओगे. You will not have to think much. Simply place a mirror. Mirror के ऊपर most significant bit all zeros, mirror के नीचे all ones. Understood? Now, so this is gray code. ठीक है? Gray code. Now what we will learn is, we will learn how to convert binary to gray and gray to binary. Suppose my binary number is 0 0 1 1. अगर आप 0 0 1 1 यानी ये जनरली 3 का बाइनरी हुआ. ठीक है? Now just understand the method and it is very easy. All you have to do is, अगर आपको if you are asked to convert a binary number to its equivalent gray code, what you will do is place the MSB as it is. This is known as most significant bit and this is known as least significant bit. Okay, so Place the most significant bit as it is. Second bit would be XOR of these two bits. इसका XOR लो. 0 0 का XOR क्या होगा? 0. Again take the XOR of the next two bits. 0 1 का XOR 1. Take the XOR of the next two bits. 1 1 का XOR 0. So this is my gray and this is my binary. Let us check. आपने जो अभी टेबल बनाया 4 बिट बाइनरी का 4 बिट ग्रे कोड का चेक करो. For 3 do you have 0 0 1 0? For 3 do you have 0 0 1 0? This is my 0, this is 1 2 3. मिला मुझे 0 0 1 0? Did I get it? Yes or no? We converted binary to its equivalent gray code. Let us take one more example. Suppose the binary number given to me is 1101. Chalo, let us all do it. How will we do? This is my binary, this is my gray. 1 का क्या करेंगे? As it is. Next, XOR of these two is 0. XOR of these two is 1. XOR of these two is 1. 1 0 1 1. चेक करो ये कौन सा नंबर है? 12 plus 1 13. 13 का ग्रे कोड चेक करो. Did you get 1 0 1 1? In your table, check it out. Yes. This is 3. ये मेरा 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 13 का देखो 1 0 1 1 है. Did we get 1 0 1 1? Yes. So this is how we find binary to gray. Did you understand the procedure? Most significant bit as it is, and then take XOR of two adjacent bits. Yes, someone was asking me.
मैम बाइनरी टू ग्रे कोड वाला आ गया पर ये टेबल मेरे को अभी भी नहीं आ रहा. लाइक पैटर्न उसका नहीं आ रहा समझ में.
क्या टेबल?
पैटर्न आपने जो सिखाया वो नहीं आ रहा समझ में.
Wait, I'll show you. It's very simple. पैटर्न यानी देखो पहले मैंने 0 1 लिया. ठीक है, दिस इज 1 बिट नंबर. अब ये मैंने क्या किया? मिरर रखा तो 1 0 बन गया. अंडरस्टूड? अब क्या करेंगे? हम ऊपर 2 zeros डाल देंगे, नीचे 2 1 डाल देंगे. तो ये मेरा क्या हो गया? दिस इज ग्रे कोड फॉर 2 बिट नंबर. फॉर 2 बिट्स I can represent 4 values. तो ये 4 वैल्यू हो गई. 2 बिट के थ्रू मैंने 4 वैल्यूज को रिप्रेजेंट कर दी. And if I look at these 4 values, only 1 bit is changing at a time. पता चला?
यस मैम.
अब अगर 3 बिट नंबर से मैं कितने वैल्यूज रिप्रेजेंट कर पाऊंगी? 8. ठीक है, तो अगर मुझे 3 बिट के लिए ग्रे कोड बनाना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? I'll place a mirror over here. अब क्या होगा? ये 1 0 इधर लिखा, ये 1 1 इधर लिखा. This 0 1 I wrote over here and this 0 0 I wrote over here. ठीक है, अब what I'll do is ऊपर सब जगह zeros, नीचे सब जगह 1. ये शॉर्टकट मेथड है. It doesn't have any logic. ठीक है, The logic is I gave you 5 minutes जो आपको दिया था. आपने सोच के मेहनत करके एक एक बिट सेट करके बनाया. That was the actual logic. Only 1 bit should change at a time. But उसमें ज्यादा मेहनत ना करना पड़े, इसलिए what we are doing, we are simply placing a mirror and that is creating the same effect. Only 1 bit is changing at a time and we have 15 unique values. Understood? अब अगर मुझे यहाँ पे 4 बिट नंबर बनाना है तो पहले 3 बिट का मिरर कर दूंगी मैं. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 and last is 0 0 0. ठीक है, मैं मिरर यानी क्या? इधर से सारे नंबर्स इधर लिखती जाऊंगी. यश मैं बता रही हूँ. हाँ, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. सो प्लेस ऑल zeros ओवर हियर. तो 4 बिट बनेंगे and place all ones over here. So this is my 15 bit, sorry 15 0 to 15 के लिए ग्रे कोड, 4 बिट ग्रे कोड. अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम.
चलो अब टेबल पता चला, अब मैं आगे वो सिखाऊं बाइनरी टू ग्रे. Binary to gray, Yash didn't understand. Yash, fatafat, I don't have much time left now. 1001, okay? I am asked to convert it to gray. This is my binary, मुझे gray में convert करना है. तो क्या करेंगे, इस 1 को as it is रख दो. Next bit की value क्या होगी? It would be XOR of the two adjacent bits. 1 0 का XOR क्या होता है? You know the XOR truth table, right? 0 0
Yes,
0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. So here what I'll get, 1 0 में 1.
वन
फिर 0 और 0 का XOR करो, क्या मिलेगा?
जीरो
0. और फिर 0 और 1 का XOR करो,
वन
1. So this is the equivalent gray code.
ओके मैम.
ये क्या पूछ रहा है? तनय, what are you asking? I
ये
don't
पूछ रहा हूँ
understand.
कि मिरर वाली मेथड में हमने स्टार्टिंग में पहले 1 बिट वाला 0 1 से किया ना, तो वो अगर उसकी जगह 1 0 से करेंगे
तो फिर पूरा उल्टा करना पड़ेगा. ऊपर सारे 1 रखो, नीचे सारे 0s रखो.
अच्छा ठीक है.
ठीक है, इधर मैंने ऐसा किया तो इधर 1 1 1 लिया और इधर 0 0 लो.
तो इसमें इक्विवेलेंट ग्रे कोड सेम ही आएगा ना दोनों में? चेक
नहीं, वो
करेंगे
फिर वो
अगर.
चेंज हो जाएगा. ये जो मेथड हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो चेंज हो जाएगा.
अच्छा
ठीक है, चलो. सो बाइनरी टू ग्रे, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ लेट अस सी द वाइस वर्सा. क्या? ग्रे टू बाइनरी. हाउ वुड वी डू दैट? इफ द ग्रे गिवन टू अस इज 1 1 0 1, दिस बिट वुड रिमेन द सेम. अब प्रोसीजर चेंज हो रही है, देखो. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों का एक्सॉर लेंगे. इन दोनों का एक्सॉर क्या होगा? 0. फिर इन दोनों का एक्सॉर लो, इट वुड बी 0. इन दोनों का एक्सॉर लो, इट वुड बी 1. Did we get 1 0 0 1? Instead of taking XOR of two adjacent bits, for gray to binary, what we will do is we'll take XOR of the bit which is generated in answer and the next bit. ठीक है? Let me give you one more example. 1 1 0 0. चलो, tell me what would be its equivalent binary? Quickly. 1 as it is. फिर किसका
Zero.
लोगे XOR? हाँ, 0. फिर
वन. Oh, sorry.
so 1 0 0 is the answer. पता चला? You will be performing a practice based on this. किसको नहीं पता चला? Who didn't understand? I'm giving you one more example. 1 1 0 नहीं, 1 1 0. This is my gray. I want to convert it to binary. Quickly. 1 most significant bit would remain as it is. Then take XOR of these two bits. 1 1 is 0. Again take XOR of these two bits. 0 1 would give you 1. Again take XOR of these two bits and the answer is 1 0 1 1. Understood?
मैम
हाँ.
मैम ऊपर जो आपने एग्जांपल लिया 1100 वो ग्रे कोड था, उसका आंसर आपके हिसाब से बाइनरी में 8 आ रहा था, पर मैंने जो कोड लिखा है उससे 10 आ रहा है.
You're saying 1. Yes, see, if I'm telling you, I'm explaining you this method for conversion binary to gray and gray to binary, looking into following this particular code. Only if you have followed this particular code, then your conversion would be as per this procedure. Okay. आप कोई
Okay,
भी
ma'am.
कोड लिखोगे तो इसकी वैल्यू won't be equivalent to 0. Clear? So if I write my gray code as this particular table, and then if I write the equivalent binary for 0 to 15, in this case, this procedure would work. Clear? And generally we follow this gray code only. Generally. बाकी आप खुद के भी ग्रे कोड होते हैं, but computer generally follows this methodology. Clear? So this is the procedure of converting binary to gray and gray to binary. Binary to gray में we take adjacent bits XOR most significant bit as it is and then adjacent bits XOR, whereas gray to binary में we take XOR of these bits and most significant bit as it is. Clear? Apart from these codes, we also have alphanumeric codes. You must have heard of these codes. Alphanumeric codes में we have ASCII code, ASCII कहते हैं हम, ASCII value. Then we have EBCDIC code. These are used to represent alphabets, numbers, special symbols, special characters and all. Okay, but only thing is we know ASCII value we have been studying since the first semester. हमें पता है कि ASCII value of small a is 97, capital A is 65. So we don't have to mug up all the ASCII values of remaining alphabets. अगर मुझे एक ही पता है तो it's enough. No need to mug up EBCDIC code as well. But only thing you need to keep in mind is ASCII is a 7-bit code, whereas EBCDIC is an 8-bit code. Again, this is also used for representing alphabets, numbers, characters. Our keyboard generally uses this ASCII code. Okay. अब अगर आपको बोले कि write the ASCII value of represent Nirma in its equivalent ASCII code, तो क्या करोगे? You will write the ASCII value of N, ठीक है? ASCII value of I, ASCII value of R, M and A. A, suppose A is, this is capital A. Capital A is 65, so represent 65 in 7 bits. 64 and 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 you are. So see, this is 7-bit code and this is the ASCII representation of capital A. Okay, so these are also binary codes, examples of binary codes. जिसमें ASCII code है, EBCDI. Okay, let me tell you the full form. ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code. You must have studied this earlier. For information interchange. Similarly, EBCDIC code is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Information Interchange. Okay. Only thing is you have to remember कि ASCII एक 7-bit code है and EBCDIC is an 8-bit code. Clear? Any doubt in this? I'll just I still have 2 more minutes. I'll just scroll through the PPT. This PPT is available on the website. You can refer to it later on. Weighted codes हमने पढ़ लिया. Non-weighted code, ये gray code का example दिया हुआ है. Gray code again is a non-weighted code. This is conversion of binary to gray and gray to binary. This also we have studied. ठीक है. फिर Yes, we know these conversions. ठीक है, हमने binary भी लिखा. BCD अगर मुझे 10 को represent करना है तो I write separate for 1 and separate for 0. Whereas in binary I will simply write it as 1010. So you can convert any code, one code to another. Just all you have to do is just write its decimal equivalent और उसका representation दिया हुआ है इधर. ठीक है? We have learned how to write BCD code. We have learned how to write binary code. So we can prepare this table on our own. ठीक है, 15 का क्या है? तो 1 के लिए BCD अलग लिखोगे 0001 and 5 का BCD अलग होता है 0101. So you will need 8 bits to represent 15, whereas binary is 1111. Okay. If you have any doubt anywhere, do ask me. यहाँ पे 0 to 9 का BCD लिखा हुआ है और XS3 लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, ये सब हमने पढ़ लिया. बाइनरी XS3, you can refer to it later on. Fine. So this was all about binary codes. What did we study? We studied that there are 2 type of. हाँ, एक चीज बाकी है. It's already 4 o'clock. Remind me in the next class. I'll be explaining you what are self complementary codes. उसकी एक property होती है, वो मैं आपको next time समझा दूंगी. Before we start the second chapter. Vineet is asking something. If one number is binary is changed to gray and then from gray to binary again, then it will not remain same. It will obviously it will remain the same. हमने जो examples देखे, I showed you the same thing. बाइनरी टू ग्रे मैंने कन्वर्ट किया, फिर उसी नंबर का ग्रे टू बाइनरी किया, मुझे सेम नंबर मिला. Wait, I'll show you. Look over here. 1001 was my binary number, Vineet, and I converted it to gray 1101. Again, when I carried out the same procedure, 1101 को मैंने binary में convert किया, तो मुझे वही 1001 मिल गया, the same one. Understood, Vineet? Are you there, Vineet? Okay, fine. So, this was all about weighted codes and unweighted codes. In the next class,